The 5 parts of meditation. 1. First is to begin with a prayer, invoking the presence of God in our meditation, asking His guidance, and praying that they give us what we need for our spiritual growth at this time. Pray from the heart, not from the mind. Words offered superficially from the mind do not touch God. The Lord does not have to respond to that kind of prayer, but He has to respond to love. That is His law. 2. Next comes chanting. Singing a devotional chant helps us to concentrate our thoughts and awakens our love for God. It helps us to get in the mood for meditation. 3. Third comes practice of the yoga meditation techniques. These are taught in the Self-Realization Fellowship lessons. When you practice them with concentration and devotion, they produce a state of deep peace and calmness. 4. Sit a long time in the stillness. That is the 4th part of meditation. Stillness means no restless thoughts, not even praying. Just be aware of the spiritual eye, keep the mind riveted at the Christ center. As the Bible says, to have any spiritual experience, the body must be still, the mind must be still, and the feelings must be still. 5. Finally, when the body and mind begin to get restless, after sitting in the stillness as long as you can, that is the time to practice devotion. Talk to God from the heart. Tell Him, I love you. I am seeking you. You are the most important thing in my life. And it is at this time, too, that you can talk with God about any problems you may have. Then close with a prayer. Each of these 5 parts, prayer, chanting, techniques, sitting in stillness, and devotion, is very important and should be practiced in our daily meditations.